Eco Products develops innovative, user-friendly and simple products for the outdoor environment. This development is based on a constant market analysis, making it possible to keep pushing boundaries in the development of intelligent products and solutions. Eco Products keeps the entire production chain in-house, ranging from product development to sales, which allows them to maintain a strict and thorough quality control. The ECCOgravel Stabilisation System is water permeable. It assures that paths and parking areas remain perfectly accessible by a vehicle or by foot at all times. The power of ECCOgravel lies in 5 unique features. Compressive strength measures the ability of an empty sheet to withstand a stationary load. Impact value indicates how a sheet can withstand moving loads, such as driving vehicles. Gravel stabilization is often used for driveways or parking areas. These applications require a high impact value. With a small experiment, we demonstrate the impact value of ECCOgravel sheets. From a certain height, a wheel is dropped upon an empty ECCOgravel sheet. Next, we repeat the same test with a selection of competing products. The tests prove that competitors tend to focus more on compressive strength. Throughout the development of ECCOgravel, on the other hand, Eco Products focused on the optimal balance between both compressive strength and impact value. Torque resistance measures the ability of substances to withstand turning vehicles. To study the torque resistance, we placed one of the front wheels of a small vehicle on an empty ECCOgravel sheet. We then proceeded with making multiple turning movements with the wheel. The same test was repeated on a range of competing products. The additional plastic reinforcement used in the production of ECCOgravel allows for an exceptional torque resistance. The geotextile on the base of the stabilization sheets ensures that no gravel creeps under the honeycomb sheet. Solidity, water permeability and strong bonding are very important for the quality of this product. With many competing products, the geotextile is made out of vulnerable material. This can cause gravel to get under the honeycomb sheet, making it float on the gravel. Faulty bonding of the geotextile can cause the honeycomb to tear loose, making gravel creep under the sheet. The geotextile's water permeability ensures effective drainage of water during heavy rain. The open structure of the geotextile prevents clogging with fine particles. The geotextile used by Eco Products is extremely strong. It's glued meticulously together with the stabilization sheet. Careful gluing allows a better spread of pressure on the underlying foundations. Extreme cold can cause reduced flexibility and affect dimensional stability of plastic materials. In an attempt to simulate extreme cold, we placed both pieces of ECCOgravel and a selection of competing products in a small freezer. After 24 hours, we retrieved the sheets from the freezer. Tests showed that competing sheets tend to lose flexibility under extreme temperatures and become prone to breaking. The materials used in the production of the ECCOgravel stabilization sheets are made of a special compound which maintains its flexibility even at extremely low temperatures. In the development of ECCOgravel stabilization sheets, usability was one of the leading principles. The ECCOgravel stabilization sheets are easy to fold. This allows them to be stocked and transported without problems. When unfolded, the sheets cover a big surface. This ensures easy and quick placement. These 5 key features make ECCOgravel the ideal solution for anyone who's looking for top quality in gravel stabilization. The specific characteristics of ECCOgravel offer a clear advantage and difference in quality when compared to competing products. With ECCOgravel, you avoid making dust, pits, ruts or puddles. Extensive investments in expensive draining systems become obsolete. ECCOgravel ensures that your gravel path or parking area can be walked upon or driven upon at all times.